Hi, this is Mr. West, and you're watching a walkthrough video on Rounding Decimals Challenge 1. This is on Math-Salamanders.com, so make sure to check it out. If you don't know where the website is, there will be a link in the description below. What is this worksheet talking about? This is talking about a number. Okay, it's asking about some number. It's got 8 choices for us to decide this number, and it's given us some clues, okay? So we have to use these clues to figure out what number is this mystery number. That's the challenge, okay? So what we're going to do is we're just going to start with our first clue, and we're going to work our way down, and we're going to eliminate some choices until we get to the correct answer in terms of who am I. So the first clue is I am less than 10. So we're just going to go around and we're going to look for all the numbers that are less than 10. We see 7.83 is, we're going to cross off the ones that are not less than, whoops, that was a mistake. Those are all the ones that are less than 10. So there's our first clue. We eliminated 3, not too bad. Just move on to the second one. I am 10 rounded to the nearest whole. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to first highlight the whole number, okay, the unit 1. Okay, so these are the ones place. It means I am 10 rounded to the nearest whole. In order to round, one of the principles we got to understand for rounding is when we're rounding this green highlighted number, the ones place, we look to the tenths place to determine if we round up or down. Okay, so I'm going to just go around highlighting the tenths place for all of these. All right, now what happens is if the number is 5 and above, we're going to round up. And if it's 4 and down, we just keep it the same. We keep that number the same. So, for example, if it was 7.4, we would keep it 7 if we're rounded to the nearest whole. And if it were 7. I'm not going to put 5. I'm going to put 7.6. Then we round to 8. Okay, it rounds up. So we want, after we round, it to be 10. So if we round 7.83 to the nearest whole, it's going to be 8. Well, guess what? That's not 10, so we're going to get rid of that guy. This guy would round to 9, so that's no good too. But these 3, 1, 2, 3, those would all round to 10, okay? Because the tenths place is 5 and up. Okay, so we eliminated those 2 choices. We're down to our final 3 candidates. And now we know that my tenths digit is odd. Well, we just talked about the tenths digit. That's in blue. And we're looking for odd, so that means 9.51, check, 9.9, check. This guy's not odd. 8 is an even number. So we're done with that one. And now we're on to the last clue. I have no hundredths digit. Well, 9.9 has no hundredths digit. 9.51, 1 is the hundredths digit. So guess what? This guy's out. And we have our answer. Our answer is 9.9. So this is our winner, okay? This is the mystery number. And that's how it works. So the challenge is pretty cool. I like this as a little challenge. And now we're on to challenge B. There's tons of these worksheets, not just on rounding, by the way. Okay, first clue, I am larger than 6. Not actually a very good clue for us. It only eliminates one choice, 5.28. And now we have to move on to the next one. So we only have 1 eliminated, 7 left. Let's see if we got some good clues to help us out. To the nearest whole, I round down, not up. Okay, we just talked about how rounding works. If that tenths place is a 4, we're going to round down, or a 3, or a 2, or a 1, or a 0. And if it's a 5, 6, 7, or 8, or a 9, we're going to round up. So, to the nearest whole, I round down, not up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and highlight the tenths place again for all these numbers. And basically, we're just going to determine here, how did I miss that? Okay, I'm just going to determine here which of these numbers are going to be rounding down, okay? So we're looking for numbers that are 4 and down. So this guy, this one, 8.37, and then that's it. So that was a good clue. It eliminates 9.84. That would round up to 10. This would round up to 9. This would round up to 8, and that would round up to 7 because all those tenths places are bigger than 5. So, yeah. Oh, this guy, how come I didn't cross him off? 9.7, he would round up. Okay, so check. Now we're on to our final clue. We're down to 2 choices, 7.24 and 8.37. Who is it? My ones digit is odd, but my tenths digit is even. Okay, 1 digit is odd. Well, I think just with that clue we're good. But my tenths digit is even. Okay, that is also it's like a double for 7.24. 8.37 doesn't have either of those things. So our answer is going to be, and I chose yellow as my answer highlighter, so I'm going to stick with it, 7.24. Now, do you have to go in that order? Do you have to go from top to bottom? Start here and work your way down? No, you could probably go the other way, and it would just eliminate, a certain number of choices each time. It might actually be kind of fun to go back and do it that way to see which one is maybe more effective. But either way, you need all the clues to determine which number it is. And that's it. That's all there is for this video. If you need more Math-Salamanders walkthrough videos, I got a whole playlist on my channel for it. And I have a ton of other math content. If you have a question on this worksheet, leave a comment. And either way, I look forward to seeing you next time right here on Wes Explains Best.